Introducing the 2019 Audi Q5 2.0 Ti 190 QST SE 4-door auto in a stunning brown exterior, packed with luxury and safety features like satellite navigation, LED lights, and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle offers both style and peace of mind. With a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with confidence. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Call us today or visit our website, audicarry.ie, for more information on how you can drive home in this top-of-the-line Audi Q5.